Well, it's been a disaster waiting to happen. Most security-aware people expected it. OpenClaw is hacked, not the project itself, of course, like it used to be when it changed repos with the name change just for 1-2 days. But right now, it's compromised in a level that everyone kind of expected. But it's true, it's verified, and Cisco AI Security department, something like that, released a tool that you scan skills with, so you can see if something malicious is inside that text. You would say text is safe, text is easy, but everything is text, even code. So it is code when you use natural language to describe stuff. LLMs do that. Your OpenClaw is no different. It is dumb, it is prone to mistakes, and even though it's very useful, it's bloody cutting edge. So everyone should be aware of the dangers of running something that acts independently and you communicate with it just with a chat. It's a bot. It does everything that it reads. Malicious code did get through. We have now verified sleeper agents on cloud installations. The worrisome thing is that they found a way to escape their Docker containers as well. So best advice that I can give you right now is to wipe it and either start over or wait for later security kind of solutions, maybe from commercial bots, maybe from OpenClaw itself, while the project matures and people are getting more and more aware. The main problem right now is that we have thousands of leaked credentials and personal files. Everything that you ever typed in its chat could be compromised. API keys in the thousands are surely being sent to a site. They found the code that zips the end file and sends it to a website, a malicious website. Okay, steps are being taken to take those down and stuff like that, but you shouldn't sleep on it. Wipe it clean, start over, and if you want my advice, if you want that system, if it does something useful for you, be sure to use a separate email, give it access to only what it needs, exactly what it needs, and nothing else. Make sure that you check the logs often, scan them with your eyes or with any other LLM or anything like that. Be aware that your API keys should probably be secure enough in the way that a normal thinking person should do it, which is to create separate API keys for the bot, of course, and also to charge it manually and not automatically with a credit card, because that could go into the thousands. We had incidents like that very early on and still are happening. So be very, very aware. Wipe it, make new API keys, rotate them all, make sure that deleted the previous ones so you don't get charged because they are probably compromised. And of course, while you wipe it and start again, be sure to give it the minimum access that it needs to do what you want with it. And of course, if you give it a credit card, make sure it has a very low limit and you check it often so people don't get to take advantage of it. That's my advice for the moment. I would say that if you don't have a very good use for it, wait a bit. It's good that it was caught early. It's good that we will have security now, some sort of security, because it won't ever be 100% safe like no AI agent right now is. Even if you run it in front of your eyes, you don't know what's happening in the background with multi-agents and long-running tasks being spun off from agent-like behaviors and orchestration. The recent Cloud Code 4.6 is an example of that. with multi-spawning agents within its code. Of course, they have checked it more, but even if you use that Opus 4.6 or whatever, you are not safe from a malicious kind of instructions on a bot that has full access into your system. Even if it's contained in a container, it can break out. It will send your credentials. It will send your chats. It has access to everything that you have ever told it. So be very, very, very aware. I'm sorry for this news. It's not up to me, but we were kind of expecting it. And now everybody pays the price. The price is some people lost money and some people lost their data. It's compromised. Sleeper agents are a thing. So be very, very sure. If you're not like 100% sure that you are not compromised, you are compromised. So start wiping, start rotating keys. Be very, very thoughtful of the access you give it. I'm Andreas, and this is Almost Tech. Sorry about the news, but that's life when you live in the bloody edge. See you on the next one.